Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch OG Mikaya Part 3. So kaka-upload ko lang kanina nung Part 2 and ito kasi in-upload to nung 12 midnight. So ngayon ko lang siya ma-video ngayong umaga. And ano pa ba? Actually dapat isang Mikaya video lang yung i-upload ko ngayon, pero sabi ko, sige na nga, i-video ko na din to kasi part 3 baka kung kailan ko na ulit to ma-video, kaya ngayon na lang. And thank you so much again Mikaya and Juliet for this video. Tinag niya ulit ako din sa title ng video. And happy Mikaya Day everyone sa mga kapwa ko Mikaya Lawans. Ayan, nagmamadali kasi guys, may pasok pa ako, so baka malate ako pag hindi ko binilisan. Pero again, happy Mikaya Day. Kahit minsan lubog, pero lately nalayag tayo dahil sa mga brands. So hindi ko na ito patatagalan. Let's start.
iPad na gamit ito. Pwede din.
Kaya I've tried a lot.
Bombastic side-eye.
So hindi kailangan.
Bombastic side-eye.
Hi! Magpapa-red hair ba si Mika? Kalbo na po si Mika right now. True.
You know the Wi-Fi password?
Uy, mag-thank you ka.
Ha? Thank?
Nag-send ng diamond shower.
Meron?
Ang
Thanks,
soft
Miss
ng
Daya,
voice.
for the diamond shower.
Parang
Thank
hindi
you.
maangas.
Kung ano kayo?
Thank you. Ay, nagluto ko pala ng breakfast. Nagluto
Yeah.
ka ng breakfast.
Diba? Parang entertain yung voice. Oh my God.
Bombastic side-eye.
Sorry guys, I copyright. And by the way, sorry sa sa liwanag kasi nga maga to, so ang pangit ng lighting. Kaya mas gusto ko nag-video pag gabi or hapon. Eh hindi ko na to ma-video mamayang hapon kasi baka grabe talaga yung look ni Mika. Oh my God. Ito, yung scene talaga na yun eh. Buti pala ngayong umaga ko siya pinanood para good vibes. Yung tingin. Tapos right after nitong live, nag-jogging. Oh my gosh. That smile. Oh my God. Ate Aya.
I know, I saw.
Pag nakarinig ka ng hiking, walking, driving, nangingin walking, driving, nangingin
Grabe, nayanig ang ano, Mikaya World. Mikaya Lawans World. Tapos di ba hindi kasi morning person si Mika. So, night sila nag-jog.
So, pag bye-bye.
Literal na silent angel si Mix. To everyone. Cute.
My perfect Valentine's date, of course, it would be with a person that I love and loves me back. Of course, it has to be mutual. But if I can picture it out and like describe it, I guess something, if not something spontaneous, it should be a super.
The way talaga magsalita si Aya. Eh. Sobrang ganda nila dito, di ba? Straight from AU. Charot. Grabe, oh. Kaya pala wala sila doon. Ata, siguro. By the way guys, comment nyo nga yung ano, yung mga dates ng mga paano ba to? Dates for the ano ships. Kunwari, yung Makulit, every 3 sila. So, Mikaya every 1. So, para maalala kong mag-upload ng video ng ship na yon kada ganong date, comment nyo na lang guys, please. Para, ayun nga. Kasi hindi ko natatandaan ko lang talaga ano, Mikaya is 1. And then Makulit is 3. And then Josie 20 ba? Josie 20. Tapos, ang Hambebe naman parang everyday naman yan. So, yung mga ibang ship din, basta comment nyo guys.
Gonna be with the person that I love. Might as well use all of the day that we have, 24 hours.
cute nila dito, yung mga OG ships.
Because I don't just think about you when I'm alone. I think about you when I'm having a blast in a room full of people. I love the songs. But still wishing you were there to experience it too.
Parang hindi naman ito tinwit. Tinwit na ba to? Hindi naman. Kay Colette.
Lord,
Parang di naman masyadong kita reaction doon ni Mika.
yung magbibigay ng full attention, yung pakiramdam na may taong interesado sa
Dahan.
It's our theme song. It's our theme song, right?
My main ship in BD is Mika Aya.
Hey, let's go.
Babe, ship sa Bini. Mikaya.
Angeline. Mikaya ka ba? Of course, yeah.
Hey. Talo lagi si Aya eh. Doon lang siya sa surf nanalo kay Mika.
Nakatulog sa live. Yeah, okay, kinulig ako doon. Actually, kasi I didn't think na he could call me. And then that's great.
She just wanted to know if I'm okay.
Hindi na tuloy ako makatulog. Nagising tuloy ako.
Sweet. Sweet talaga ni Mix. So, ayan, thank you so much again, Mikaya and Juliet, and happy Mikaya Day again. So, sobrang sweet talaga ng Mikaya, and alam naman natin na happy shipping lang, ganon. Pero, iba talaga yung chemistry nila dalawa eh, kasi, di ba, parang, ewan ko, grabe din kasi yung bond talaga nila. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong!